Welcome to MVM News. I'm Nisha Sinha with the news. Top stories now. Manipur's Chief Minister N. Biren Singh inaugurated a state-of-art Level 1 Trauma Care Centre at RIMS through video conference here in Imphal today. Deputy Commissioner of Jiribam W. Malengamba Chingle IAS issued fresh notification for the COVID-19 here yesterday. JDU President N. Sadananda urged the administration not to make the Manipur-Assam gate at Jiribam travel-free. The team of All Manipuri Students Union AMSU Jiribam inspected the condition of Jetty Road here today. Manipuri Youth Front of Assam, MIFA, organizes a 67 awareness campaign at Gosaipur here in Kachar today. The transit accommodation for doctors, teachers and nurses are ready for inauguration. News in detail. Manipur's Chief Minister N. Biren Singh inaugurated a state-of-art Level 1 Trauma Care Centre at RIMS through video conferencing here in Imphal today. It is a part of Union Ministry of Family Welfare's mission to build a pan-India trauma care network within every 100-kilometer radius, so that accident victims would not have to be transported for more than 50 kilometers. Large number of road casualties are due to negligence and non-adherence to traffic rules. This center will help bring down the mortality rate of preventable deaths because of road accidents. N. Biren Singh further urged the people to be responsible and follow the traffic rules. Deputy Commissioner of Jiribam W. Malengamba Chingle IAS issued fresh notification for the COVID-19 here yesterday. Two spots in Ujatol, NIC, Kalinagar, Dibong, Kuno and Gulartoy are declared as containment zones. The development came after registering 5 new COVID-positive cases in the district. Entry and exit in the containment zones declared is strictly prohibited. Ballotters will be booked under Section 188 of Indian Penal Code and Section 51 of Disaster Management Act and punished. COVID machinery has been alerted to take precautionary measures. JDU President N. Sadananda urged the administration not to make the Manipur-Assam gate at Jiribam travel-free. N. Sadananda Meite, in a press meet, expressed concern on the COVID situation in Jiribam. Although COVID Unlock 4 allows interstate movements for Jiribam, it will be premature to completely lift the restriction along the Jiribam-Kachar border. He also questioned the modus operandi of the COVID-19 data entry in the state and urged the concern to maintain the COVID-19 tally of the Jiribam district separately. JDO President further said, both Jiribam and Kachar COVID-affected district opening of the western gates allows free movement of people of Jiribam and Jirigad. The people of Jirigad usually do not wear masks and obey COVID SOP. Therefore, lifting the ban in free movement is detrimental for both Jiribam and Jirigad. The team of All Manipuri Students Union AMSU Jiribam inspected the condition of Jetty Road here today. After successful inspection, AMSU Jiribam expressed concern on the worst condition of the road. The AMSU team further said the local MLA and other related authorities does not take immediate action. The student organization will toe the line of democratic agitation. Thanil Thokcham, President AMSU, District Committee Jiribam, said that the condition of the road near village Homwang is worst. A truck carrying CF, PD and NFSA rice is found stranded there. Upon interrogation, it is known that the driver and the handyman of the truck were starving for the last 2 days.
Committee Jiribam ki team mamana Jetty Road asi yengsinba chatluba matamda lambi asi yamna sokna leba thenaki amadi Cab and PD napsagi ching puduna chatliba gari ama numit humni marini mamangdagi mafam aduga chatpa yadana mafam aduga driver amadi handyman chara hendun lebasu thengnajaraki amadi passenger gari singna mafam aduda khudong thiba asi tholaktingaida miyamgi ihun khangna hiram asiga mai leinaba higher authority amadi local MLA na lambi asi athubu matamda sembinabai damakta emsuna haijari amadi emsuna hairiba asida tabi daba taragadi akogi pal akogi laiba miyam amadi emsuga khusam naraga democratic oibal khongjang changselagani.
Manipuri Youth Front of Assam, MIFA, organizes a 67 awareness campaign at Gosaipur here in Kachar today. K. Chamutomba, A. Lili, President Assam Manipur, Meira Paibi Apungba, Lup Somar Luwang, Secretary Manipur Theatre Centre, Assam, and Serum Heritage Singh sat on the dais. While inaugurating the campaign, MIFA President Serum Heritage urged people of the state to put in their might and support the cause. While speaking on the occasion, MTC Secretary Somar Luwang
British se pungchat chatte moi masa chacha di wani moi na thanamba kor ki system moi ki system moi na yaklam khuding makta ikoi India na chalu bani Congress nai si akoi British na chap chala kabira ka thamamba du makangu ne adu na ngasi parliament e mbeo kaitang nanggal pura Hindi ke angang na bene parliament members English kanta masigi ana basina ikoi India ki community mayam sing sida so laksal laga ikoi laying se laying simudi
President
imong manung isa honan nota singna hingakadaba isa singna kapakadaba aikoi hinguraga kari kanaruni haiduna mapi tana kapkadaba nungai bam layaroidaba yumgi akoigi yumda ima ipa lay haiduna hanjagi thauna pibiu angang singda naharon singda.
MIFA active members Chandrakanta Singha and CH Viswajit Singha also attended the campaign.
Repairing works on the Jati Road will be done on Wednesday, 2nd September 2020 from 8 p.m. onwards under the behest of Honorable MLA MD Asabuddin. Keeping the condition of the road in mind, BBU source asked all the citizens not to make any travel on the day. आगामी बुधवार सेप्टेम्बर 2 तारिखे जिरिबाम और एमएलए गिरो के जेटी रोडे गोरमा रिपेयरिंग काम करानी होइतोय तारो दिनुअनात पोतेगत आनाजनात नाकरे देनार हेचा बिबिउर तरबेतो जानानियोर.
The transit accommodation for doctors, teachers and nurses are ready for inauguration. The transit camps are 1. Singhat, 2. Borobekra and 3. Churachandpur. Sources say that there are 16 such transit camps are to be inaugurated soon. Each camp cost 2 to 3 crores. COVID-19 updates now.
Total number of COVID confirmed cases reaches 36,49,639 in the country, with 28,671 recoveries and 64,951 fatalities. COVID-19 tally in Manipur: positive 6,112, recovered 4,239, deceased 28.
Stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.